These are not just words, they are values that the world desperately needs. We live in a time where intelligence is abundant, but kindness is sometimes scarce. Madaming tao ang mas mabilis manghusga kaysa magbigay ng pangunawa. Ibigay yung pangunawa na bakit ba sila nagkakaganito? Bakit nila ito nagawa? That is why your role as Filipino graduates is so important. Leadership is not about titles or positions. It is not about being the loudest voice in the room. True leadership is about how you treat people, especially when you have nothing to gain from them. It is about choosing to listen when it is easier to ignore, choosing to help when it is more convenient to walk away. It is about choosing integrity even when no one is watching. Let me share another experience. There was a moment when I saw someone struggling, quietly, almost invisibly. They did not ask for help. They didn't want an attention. But inside me, may nagsabi, kausapin mo. It wasn't a grand gesture, just a simple conversation. A simple asking, are you okay? Kamusta ka? Okay ka lang ba? And in that moment, I realized something powerful. Sometimes, the smallest act of compassion create the biggest impact. Graduates, as you move forward, you will meet people from different walks of life. Some will inspire you, some will challenge you, and some will test your patience. But remember this, everyone you meet is fighting a battle you cannot see. Merong mga taong madaling magdala. Hindi mo mahahalata, pero tuloy para sila. At minsan, yung mga honor students natin, yung palaging natawa, madalas late na babalawala. Kasi sabi nila, masayahin yan. Hindi, wala siyang problema. Matayin mo yan.